You sit down, buckle in, and it hits you. This isn't just the flight, it's a 14-hour prison sentence. Every inch of space is borrowed. The air is so dry your skin cracks. The seat feels like it's shrinking every minute. And the meals? Forget it. In 2026, airlines are tightening economy space, changing boarding rules, and cutting amenities even further. If you don't know these insider moves, you could land sore, exhausted, and wishing you'd just driven instead. Stick with me because every tip in this video could be the difference between stepping off refreshed or limping off miserable. Miss even one, and your next long-haul flight in 2026 could feel unbearable. We're about to cover 17 flight hacks that seasoned travelers swear by, and trust me, you'll want every single one. 17. Pick the right seat. Your seat isn't just a chair. It can make or break your flight. In 2026, some airlines are shrinking economy space even more. For example, JetBlue Airways is reconfiguring its A320 fleet so legroom drops from 32 to 30 inches. That extra 2 inches might not sound like much, but on a 10 to 14-hour flight, it's the difference between cramped misery and reasonable comfort. Window seats let you lean and sleep without interruptions. Aisle seats give you space to stretch or walk when your legs start stiffening. Exit rows offer extra legroom, but you'll lose under-seat storage. Back row recliners? Goldmine. Nobody behind you to complain when you lean back. Think that's it? Wait until you hear a secret trick that can make even economy feel like first-class luxury. 16. Compression socks. Long flights can be brutal on your legs and feet. In 2026, with tighter economy seating becoming more common, circulation is more important than ever. Compression socks are a small but powerful tool that can make a huge difference. They prevent swelling, reduce fatigue, and keep your feet warm, which signals your body that everything is okay. Slip them on right after takeoff, and you'll notice the change immediately. Your legs feel lighter, ankles less stiff, and the "I've aged 10 years" sensation disappears. Frequent flyers swear by this simple hack, especially on long-haul journeys where space is limited. Pair them with small in-seat movements like ankle circles, toe flexes, and knee lifts, and even the tightest economy seat starts to feel more manageable and far less exhausting. 15. Under-seat survival kit. A long flight becomes much easier when everything you need is right under your seat. In 2026, with airlines reconfiguring cabins and overhead bins getting tighter, having a dedicated under-seat survival kit is more important than ever. Pack only the essentials: headphones, snacks, phone charger, lip balm, a mini toothbrush, face wipes, moisturizer, and any medications you might need during the flight. Use a soft, flexible bag with multiple compartments. It slides easily into the seat, keeps everything organized, and doesn't steal legroom. This is your mid-air command center. No more digging in overhead bins or disturbing neighbors. On long-haul flights, a well-stocked kit can be the difference between calm, smooth travel and constant frustration. Being prepared in 2026 isn't optional. It's the new standard for smart flyers. 14. Thermos hack. Forget flimsy airport bottles. In 2026, with tighter economy seating and fewer opportunities to move, a proper wide-mouth thermos is a game changer. It keeps water icy cold or tea and coffee steaming hot for hours, keeping you hydrated and comfortable without waiting on the galley. The bonus? Hot water transforms into instant soup, oatmeal, or tea mid-flight, perfect for late night or early morning flights. A good thermos isn't just functional, it's a small luxury that feels like bringing a slice of home into the sky. Watching neighbors struggle with lukewarm drinks while you sip hot tea? Instant envy. This simple upgrade gives control, comfort, and a personal edge on any long haul. In 2026, savvy travelers won't step on a plane without it. 13. Smart snack choices. Choosing the right snacks can completely change your flight experience. And in 2026, airlines may continue adjusting meal services, making personal planning more important than ever. Skip greasy, salty meals or food served at odd hours, like midnight eggs or heavy pastas, which can leave you bloated and uncomfortable. Instead, pack light, familiar snacks that your stomach already knows: a plain sandwich, a handful of unsalted nuts, or a soft granola bar. These options keep digestion smooth and your energy steady so you avoid mid-flight fatigue or stomach discomfort. Airline crackers or chips may be convenient, but they often dehydrate you in the dry cabin air. Planning your own snacks not only keeps you comfortable, but gives you a sense of control. A small prepped stash can make your 2026 flights feel easier and much more enjoyable. 12. Hydration strategy. Proper hydration is one of the simplest ways to feel better during long flights. In 2026, with new airline procedures and cabin experiences evolving, staying hydrated will be even more essential. Drink water regularly, about 8 ounces every 60 to 90 minutes, to maintain steady energy, prevent headaches, and avoid fatigue. For a mid-flight reset, add an electrolyte packet to help your body balance fluids and stay alert. Avoid overindulging in alcohol or caffeine, as both can accelerate dehydration. Hydration supports circulation, skin health, and overall comfort, making a noticeable difference in how your body feels in the air. Even minor attention to water intake can transform your journey, helping you stay refreshed, clear-headed, and ready to enjoy your destination. Think of hydration as your simple 2026 travel upgrade. Easy, effective, and essential for any long-haul flight. 11. Sleep setup. Sleeping in economy is tricky, but small, smart adjustments make a big difference, especially in 2026, when airlines may introduce new layouts or lighting schedules. Start with the headrest. Fold in its little wings to stop your head from bobbing while you nap. Place a pillow or the airline-provided cushion behind your lower back for lumbar support. Add an eye mask to block cabin lights completely. A large scarf or travel blanket can serve multiple purposes: neck support, privacy screen, or extra warmth. Layering these small tools ensures that even a short nap is restorative. With these adjustments, you can actually get rest during a long-haul flight instead of tossing and turning. Arriving at your destination alert and refreshed isn't about expensive upgrades. It's about creating the best sleep setup you can, a strategy that will be especially useful for 2026 travel. 10. Micro movement. Even small movements make a huge difference in how your body feels on a flight. In 2026, airlines may optimize boarding and in-flight procedures, but your body still needs circulation. While seated, flex your toes, circle your ankles, and lift one knee at a time. Stand or walk to the galley every few hours, even just for a short stretch or water refill. These small actions prevent stiffness, reduce fatigue, and keep your joints moving comfortably. You don't need fancy exercises. Simple, consistent movement is enough to stay loose and energized. Practicing micro-movement throughout the flight ensures you step off the plane feeling lighter, more alert, and far less cranky than those who remain frozen in their seats. In 2026, this simple strategy will remain one of the smartest ways to keep your body happy in the air. 9. Noise control. Noise is one of the biggest hidden enemies on long flights, and in 2026, with busier flights and more crowded cabins expected, controlling it will be more important than ever. Combining noise-canceling headphones with earplugs creates your personal quiet zone. Snoring seatmates, chatty neighbors, or a crying toddler? None of it matters. This setup blocks distractions so you can sleep, read, or watch a show without interruption. Light headphones alone aren't enough. Layering them with foam earplugs works wonders. Even short bursts of peace help your body relax and your mind stay focused. Planning ahead with proper noise control ensures your flight feels calmer and you step off the plane feeling more refreshed. In 2026, savvy travelers will consider this a must-have for maintaining comfort, sanity, and a little control in the chaos of economy class. 8. Quick Change Refresh Kit. Long-haul flights can leave you feeling grimy and exhausted, but a small refresh kit makes a huge difference. In 2026, with tighter cabin spaces and faster turnaround times, swapping into fresh socks, underwear, or a lightweight shirt an hour before landing is a game changer. A few minutes in the lavatory and you step off the plane looking clean, refreshed, and energized instead of rumpled and tired. Toss in a mini moisturizer, lip balm, or travel deodorant to complete the reset. This simple habit gives you an instant confidence boost and helps you adjust faster to your destination. Think of it as a secret cheat code. While everyone else drags off the plane, you look like you've arrived ready to conquer your day. It's small, easy, and in 2026, it'll be even more appreciated on crowded flights. 7. Bathroom timing. Bathroom lines on long flights are one of the silent stressors, and in 2026, with higher passenger density likely, timing is everything. The trick is to go before boarding or strategically during meal service. That way, you skip long lines, avoid lingering smells, and dodge awkward aisle yoga where you twist over strangers. Early preparation also gives you control over your schedule. You won't have to interrupt sleep or micro-movements mid-flight. Observing cabin routines allows you to move opposite the crowd, giving you freedom while others wait. Planning bathroom breaks like this minimizes stress and keeps your journey smoother. A small adjustment like this changes your entire in-flight experience, making you feel smarter, calmer, and more prepared. In 2026, with evolving airline seating and busier flights, mastering bathroom timing will be even more crucial for maintaining comfort. 6. Seatbelt-Over-Jacket Trick. Sleeping through turbulence or routine seatbelt checks can be frustrating, but there's a simple fix. Buckle over your blanket or jacket, not under it. This small change lets flight attendants verify safety without waking you, letting you sleep uninterrupted, even during minor bumps. In 2026, with more flights expected to be fully booked and tighter seating, uninterrupted sleep will become a precious advantage. Layering a blanket or jacket under the belt provides comfort while keeping you secure. Combine this with your quick change kit, noise control, and hydration strategy, and even economy class starts to feel smarter. This small habit ensures you maximize rest while staying safe. Sleep doesn't need to be a battle. With this trick, you stay calm, rested, and ready to hit the ground running when your plane finally lands. 5. Flight-only entertainment. Long flights can feel endless, but reserving your favorite shows, movies, or podcasts just for the air transforms economy into a personal cinema. In 2026, with more flights crowded and fewer distractions, creating this flight-only ritual will be even more valuable. Pair your content with a small selection of TSA-approved snacks and a cup of mint tea from your thermos, and suddenly your mid-air hours feel intentional and enjoyable instead of wasted. This works psychologically. Your brain associates economy with a treat instead of boredom. Download everything beforehand, Wi-Fi is still spotty at 35,000 feet, and set up your phone or tablet with a simple stand or tray hack for hands-free viewing. This small change adds a sense of control, comfort, and personal luxury to any long-haul flight, making it feel far more manageable in 2026. 4. Dress in layers. Cabin temperatures can swing wildly during a flight, often leaving you freezing or sweating. In 2026, with airlines reconfiguring cabins and tighter seating, dressing smartly will be critical. Start with soft, breathable joggers and a lightweight t-shirt. Add a hoodie or zip-up jacket and top it off with a large scarf. The scarf doubles as a blanket, neck warmer, or even an impromptu eye mask. Layers let you adjust instantly without disturbing neighbors or relying on airline blankets, which can be scratchy or scarce. Comfort should always trump style. A cozy outfit means better sleep, more circulation, and less overall fatigue. Small wardrobe tweaks like this prevent mid-flight discomfort, helping you arrive refreshed and ready for your destination, even on fully booked flights that are expected in 2026. 3. Tiny nose rescue. Dry cabin air can feel brutal, turning your nose into sandpaper in just a few hours. In 2026, with longer flights and denser seating, staying comfortable in the air will be even more essential. A simple trick, dab a cotton swab with a thick balm and gently swirl it inside each nostril. It instantly soothes dryness, prevents nosebleeds, and keeps breathing comfortable without any bulky gear. Odd looking, yes, but incredibly effective. Pack a couple of Q-tips in your underseat survival kit and you're ready before dryness even becomes noticeable. This tiny habit protects you from the cabin's hidden effects and adds a layer of personal comfort that most passengers completely overlook. On long-haul flights, small prep moves like this separate calm, well-rested travelers from everyone else struggling through the dry air. 2. Medication and 48-hour rule. Always keep any medication you might need in the next 48 hours in your carry-on. In 2026, with flights increasingly rerouted, connections missed, or luggage delayed due to busier travel schedules, relying on checked baggage is risky. Store daily prescriptions, pain relievers, motion sickness meds, or any small emergency supplies in your underseat survival kit for instant access. Label everything clearly so there's no fumbling or searching mid-flight. A simple 48-hour rule ensures that even if your suitcase goes on a mini vacation to another city, you're prepared for whatever happens in the air. Being proactive with medications isn't just convenient. It prevents stress, avoids mid-flight emergencies, and guarantees you land feeling stable, safe, and in control. ready to tackle your plans without waiting for lost luggage or pharmacy stops. 1. Jet lag prep. Jet lag can ruin the first day of your trip, but in 2026, with longer and more fully booked flights, preparation will be key. Shift your sleep schedule gradually a few days before departure, earlier if flying east, later if flying west. Once on board, set all your devices to your destination's local time immediately and try to eat and sleep according to that schedule. Apps like Time Shifter or Uplift provide step-by-step guidance on when to nap, seek light, or stay awake. Hydration, sleep hacks, and cabin movement all complement this strategy. These small, planned adjustments let your body adjust faster, so when you land, you're ready to explore or work instead of collapsing from fatigue. Being intentional about jet lag in 2026 will separate savvy travelers from everyone else stumbling off the plane. Every small choice stacks up, turning survival into something manageable, even enjoyable. Click any of these videos on your screen, and I'll see you in a moment.